Hello everyone. There are certain plants that are quite difficult to grow, and if you don't have the necessary expertise or experience or knowledge about plants, you are unable to look after them and they die on you, and it is very disheartening and disappointing when you are unable to look after a plant. On the other hand, there are certain group of plants that are so easy to maintain and grow, and they're perfect for beginners. And one such plant that I want to talk about, which is so good for beginners, so easy to grow, that is the Syngonium. Now, in my video on house plants, I had talked about Syngonium and of so many varieties of Syngonium that I have. I had shown and discussed my pink Syngonium, because pink Syngonium is a lovely plant. It has got very delicate, fragile onion pink leaves. I'll put the link to that video below if you want to see that. And today I want to talk about another kind of Syngonium, which is, I just cannot have enough of this plant. It is so lovely, it's so easy to grow, and that is the Syngonium podophyllum, or the marble Syngonium, Albo variegatum. Now I will show you the plant of this Syngonium variegatum that I have. But that's it. One is this one. See, this is my Syngonium variegatum, and I want to show you the leaves. What is special? Why do we call it variegatum? Because its leaves are green. The leaves of this plant are, see, this one is totally green, but then you will find this one has slightly cream color. This one would have more of cream color. Look at this leaf. This also has green and cream. This is the special thing about this plant, that every leaf comes with a different design. See this one, and a different shade. Look at this one. This is one plant I have. Another one I will show you. This one, which is smaller, but the variation in the leaves is more striking. See, the green is very less. In fact, cream is dominating. So this is my actually favorite, because it has got so much of design on its leaves, and it's a very good specimen of your Syngonium variegatum. A third one you can see over here, this one. Now this is not showing much variation. Most of its leaves are green. Very little smattering of cream I have, but then this is growing like this so long, you can see. Just now I put it over the lamp to show it to you. So now what is good about Syngonium is, as I said, that it's an ideal plant for beginners. It does not easily die. Only a few basic things you need to remember about it. Today I am going to this plant that I have shown you, which has grown so long, and I am feeling, the vine is also very thick, that this pot is very small for this plant, and today I am going to check it, and I would like to repot it into a bigger pot so that it can grow more. If you don't want trading plants and you want your plant to grow upright, so one way is that you can cut off the branches and then propagate it here and give some kind of support so that the plant can grow bushier. But I am especially fond of vine and trailing plants, so I have let my plant grow like that. I feel it is happiest growing like this, but you can have a bushier plant also if you wish to have. As far as humidity is concerned, because these plants are native to Central America, so it loves a humid climate. It will grow very well in monsoon. but this is winter and all my 3 plants are inside the room where they're getting light but they're not getting sunlight, and still they are doing well. So the plant is adapting to medium light, it is adapting to the cold season and to the lack of moisture also, and doing well. As far as pests are concerned, my Syngonium has not given me a single bit of trouble, and there has been no pest, no insect, not even in a single leaf. And now I'll show you how I put the 3 plants in my home. See, this is how I have decorated the 3 plants in my home. So the Syngonium that I would like to say is a very rewarding plant to have, a very satisfying plant to have. It enhances the beauty in a different way of your home, and also very easy and convenient to keep it inside your home. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do give your comments.